Check this monument. Right, I've had a bit of a rest. Let's have a little roam around in the evening. Now, one of the first things I've noticed is that it's really busy. I've seen a lot of these Li Rio Tao yogurt places. I think I'll have to try it tomorrow. Anyone for some durian? I apologize if I don't say things properly, but I'm heading down to the Hongya Cave, going down quite a few steps. Let me show you. Look how busy it is around here. Look at all that traffic as well. Look at that. But I'm on the wrong side. I'm meant to be opposite the road, so let's figure that out. It's really, really, really busy around here. Look at that crowd. In case you didn't know, the lights go off at 11. So I came here just in time, but I'll come back again tomorrow. Looks like Dubai chocolates made it to Chongqing. It's 11:30. I'm surprised at how lively it still is out here. Everything's just so colourful around me. It's really nice, and a lot of noise though, obviously. Right guys, let's get an orange. She's weighed them for me and she said it around about 8. Shishi. I didn't use Alipay on this occasion, I just used cash. Look how massive these oranges are. Look at that, massive. Nearly as big as my head. Right, let's open this. Oh, it's nice and mushy. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna try a piece. Let's see how it tastes. But yeah, these pieces are massive. Sorry, I needed to cough. that was nice and sweet. Very nice. Let's try another one. Very nice. I bet these are organic because look how massive they are. Look how big those pieces are. Right, you know what time it is. Time to try some more noodles. Hi guys, this is my new friend. What's your name? What's your name? Check these bad boys out. I just want to show you guys my epic noodle fail again. If anyone has any tips on how to do noodles. I told her to make it medium spice, so it's quite nice. Very nice. I won't bore you to death with my noodles. I was just having a nice chat with the lady and she was saying that they learn English at school, but they learn how to write, but they don't understand what they are saying. So yeah, interesting fact. You know, after having spicy noodles, you've got to have some ice cream. Okay, so this says it's Magnum, not sure what flavor, but let me show you guys. You see that? Now let's open it. So, oh, it looks like, well, that's a bit strange, isn't it? I'm not seeing something like that. Well, it's not strange, but it's just different. Let's try it. Reminds me of that ice cream back in England. It's really thick and creamy and chocolatey. I can't quite figure out that pink flavor, purple flavor even. I don't know, but it just tastes really nice anyway. Okay, let me enjoy my ice cream now. But it's a thumbs up from me. Turns out the ice cream I had was actually Ube Ice Cream. That's why it was so nice. Can you see that monument behind me? This monument is dedicated to the victory of war of resistance against Japanese aggression. Apparently it's the only one in China. It's called the People's Liberation Monument. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it at that for tonight and let's explore more of Chongqing tomorrow. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care, bye for now.